Hello, I'm having my daughter help me here with our problem here. We're just doing the video on my phone. One of the things I did is I actually went ahead and plugged the table in here for us. I'm going to go through four-step modeling. That's actually going to help us to even adjust our window by doing this. Another option is that if you do hit the window key, you can take a look at what these numbers are and set your X-min to be something that will include 2, and then your X max to include 59, and do the same thing with the Y values with Y min and Y max. So let's go ahead and actually make our scatter plot here where I got the table in. So I'm going to make sure I got that. I already took the liberty of plugging in the equation and that 19 value that we've talked about already. But let's get our scatter plot in here. So if I go ahead and go up to plot 1, highlight it. Instead of doing the window manually, now that I've got the scatter plot going with this as well, I can hit zoom number 9. And that will actually adjust the screen to go with the scatter plot. And supposedly the scatter plot's going with our equation anyway. And so everything's adjusted for us. So we don't actually even need to use the window key. But the other option is that you can hit that window key, look at your X min and X max, make sure to include all the X values in your table, and also look at your Y min and Y max to include all the Y values that you're seeing in the table as well. So let's get back to our graph. Notice I graphed our equation. I also graphed that Y equal 19 line. If I go second function trace and go to number 5 intersect and hit enter, then I can go ahead and hit enter one more time for the first curve, another enter for the second curve, and then enter one more time after the word guess, and I will find the intersection. In this case here, about 5.26 is what I'm getting here. Now we want to make sure that we stay below 19 because anything that's above that's lethal. So we notice that everything's lethal is actually right up here. Starting at 0, we'll start at time 0 here, and then getting to this number here, about 5.26. And this is how you could use your graphing calculator to be able to try to find that lethal region here, and this is all the safe region down here. This is Brian Hagelstrom with his daughter Emily helping me out here making a video for one of our MMA homework problems. Thank you.